A pretty nice day for February standards out there across central Illinois. Temperatures are sliding back down into the lower 30s in some spots, but we managed to make it into the upper 30s, which is right where we should be. Average for this time of year is 39 degrees. Right now in Charleston, it's 35, along with Effingham, 32 in Robinson and in Paris, 35 in Terre Haute, and it's currently 36 over in Decatur. Now, satellite radar, we had some sunshine today, but it's showing that the cloud cover is starting to stream in from the northwest. A lot of clouds out across portions of Iowa, and that's where the system's starting to make its way known. There are some blizzard warnings in effect for portions of Iowa and even winter storm warnings for northwestern Illinois. They're expecting snow with the system that's moving in, but we're only expecting rain as we get into our day tomorrow. But again, in the meantime, we're just noticing that increase in cloud cover. So if you have any plans this evening, those are going to be okay. We're going to see those temperatures slowly making their way down through the 30s. So we're expecting a pretty mild night compared to what we've seen lately, with overnight lows only making it down into the upper 20s. So here's some of the weather headlines we're tracking in the Weather Center. We have the rain in a mix coming in tomorrow, and then we have a chance for snow coming this weekend. And then, of course, after that, we've all been talking about the blast of Arctic air that's headed our way. So that's going to sum up our forecast headlines. So first things first, we'll get through the rain. This is going to be coming in here tomorrow, mostly rain with this system. Here's 7 o'clock in the morning. You can see a little bit of a wintry mix possible on the very leading edge of that system because temperatures will be right around freezing to start the day. But as we get into the afternoon, that's all going to change over to rain as the system really gets going. So most of Thursday going to be featuring rain showers across central Illinois. Now you'll notice Futurecast is dipping a chances for some wintry mix or some snow down into our middle counties, but I'm thinking areas north of I-74 have the best chances to see some snowflakes mix in. Again, mostly with this system, I'm expecting rain. It's going to be further up north into northern Illinois where you get to see some of that snowfall. However, as the cold front comes through on the back edge of this system, we could all get a quick shot of some snowfall going into the evening hours on Thursday, but it's going to be a pretty quick round, and we're not going to see too much in the way of accumulation with that. So looking at our rain and snow potential, I'm expecting around a ½ inch of rain area wide and then less than a ½ inch of snow by the time this system moves through. But in addition to that, we're not just talking rain, we're going to have some wind too. You'll notice it picking up tonight, going to be coming in out of the south. That's going to boost our temperatures up. We could have wind gusts approaching 40 miles an hour tomorrow afternoon. Then that cold front comes through, remaining blustery though, with wind gusts nearing 30 miles an hour as we get into Thursday night, and that'll be pumping in some colder air. So our next main story is going to turn to the weekend, and here we are Saturday morning. We'll start the day off with partly sunny skies, but as we get into the afternoon, we'll start to see our next chance of snow work into the region. This looks like a mostly snow event. You can see as we get into the evening, it's already making its way out of here, so it's too early to talk accumulations, but I'm not expecting too many impacts from this system just yet. Of course, with future model runs, we'll get to fine-tune this forecast. I think the main story is going to be the frigid sub-zero temperatures that will be coming in behind that snowfall. And more snow that we see, the colder we'll have our temperatures because more snow on the ground will kind of keep the surface like a freezer and keep our temperatures even colder as we head into the weekend. But as you can see, as we get into Sunday, that all clears out of central Illinois, so we're looking at some sunshine for then. But it will be very cold already Saturday evening. These are your wind chills. They're going to dip down below zero. We could see them approach -20 in our northern communities, -15 in Charleston Sunday morning, and they only warm up to the single digits. So we're looking at a very cold stretch of weather. That's going to continue as we get into the start of next week. Waking up Monday morning, we'll have feel-like temperatures below zero once again, so it will be a cold morning for anyone headed off to work or school next Monday. For tonight, though, relatively mild, only a low of 29 degrees. Clouds going to be on the increase, remaining breezy with winds out of the south gusting up 20 miles an hour. That's going to keep our temperatures into the 40s for tomorrow. So it's going to be the warmest we're going to see for quite some time. We'll have those rain showers again, maybe winter mix early on and then on the backside of that system, but mostly rain for our Thursday. And as we look at the next 7 days, you can tell down to 29 on Friday, 24 on Saturday, down to -2 Saturday night, and a high of only 8 degrees on Sunday. And temperatures remain in the teens as we get into next week. So we're looking at a blast of colder air as we get into next week, and that chance of snow on Saturday night.